Alright guys, it's Ange from County Line Adventures. We got a late night barbecue video for you here. We got pork shoulder. We're going to shoot this here for Nathan over at the Budget Sportsman. Always telling me on Facebook I need to do more smoking videos. That's what we're going to do. Not ideal time, anything like that, but we got doubleheader of baseball games tomorrow, and we need lunch in between because it's right over there lunchtime. So anyway, we are going to do a special combination. I like just mixing flavors and seeing what happens, and it's always good. I don't really miss very much. So we got the Rib Rack original sugar-free rub. That's where we got orange flavor on there. So we're going to stick it on here for a few hours, see what happens. Get the meat to about 160, 165. We'll see what time I'm up and all that kind of stuff. Then we are going to get it wrapped. We'll wrap it and put it in a turkey pan. Hold a little bit of moisture, and we're going to go with do some outer space stuff. We're going to go with some Starlight for liquid, and see what happens. Pull it apart, and yeah, kind of just showing you what we do. It could be every step, but it will be most of them. So we got about a 13 pounder on there. We're gonna have a good amount of people to feed, so stick with us and we'll see how it turns out. We got 2 new sauces from Duke's we're gonna be trying tomorrow too. So we got the Carolina Gold, is mine and my wife's favorite, and then we got 2 new ones, a Tennessee and another Carolina inspired one. So we got stuck here on 200. We get some probes in there. We got, once it closes up, we'll come back up to temperature. But anyway, all right, these are hard to mess up because it's only good, better, and best. So can't wait until tomorrow. All right, guys, it is really beginning to be good. I want to get it up to about 195. Pull it out, and the temperature will continue to rise and get up to about 200 or 205 as you get cold. So we're going to put it on the tray, add the liquid, and wrap it up. Wrapped it, we got it on 2 to 4, or where it needs to be, and we're going to put it in our cooler. It should fit, I hope, in that Lifetime 55. I think diameter should be good. And let it rest in there. We're going to have to pull this at the baseball field. Not ideal, but that's the way it's going to be, so it is looking good. Alright, it did squeeze down in there, so we'll let it rest for an hour or so, get it pulled, and the juice is going to slop around down there, but whatever, have to clean the cooler anyway. So alright, so we're going to shoot a summary video here. We had to pull it while we're actually at the baseball park, but turned out fantastic. We'll turn the camera around and tell you what we used and just summarize everything so y'all can do this yourself if you'd like. Alright, so we pulled it after it rested for like 2 hours or so. I think the longer it rests, probably the better that turns out. And we smoked it anywhere. I had it on 200 overnight to kind of check it in the daytime. But 225, 250, it all depends what you have time for. If you get it to an internal temperature of 165, where you can wrap it, you can turn it up higher. I mean, it's probably not ideal, but no one's ever gonna know. It turns out fine. So
to get it up to the 195. I went to actually 205, and let it sit so it pulls very nicely. That's just, you can kind of play it by ear. There's lots of different ways you can do it. But anyway, so we used for the first time this rib rack barbecue. Just coated it in that, stuck it on there for about 8 hours or so. By that time it had gotten to about 160 or so. Wrapped it up, put it in a foil, like a turkey foil pan, and wrapped it in aluminum foil. I'm gonna try these sauces. These are new sauces. 2 of the 3 are new. So put it in there and got it up to 205 degrees. That's a Carolina vinegar. That's the first time I've ever tried that one. It does have a pretty good vinegar taste to it. It's Tennessee smoke and whiskey barbecue. That one's good too. Carolina Gold has been our favorite here for a while. I don't think, for like mass-produced sauces, I don't really think you can go. I think Duke's is the best. We pick it up at Food Line. It's about $4 a bottle or whatever. They're all pretty good. I wouldn't even say out of these 2 new ones I even really have a favorite at this point. Anyway, kind of probably limited edition type thing that probably won't be able to replicate very much is adding that Starlight at the wrapping point. It has a cola flavor, but kind of like a sweet, like a cotton candy, or I don't know, it's supposed to taste like space, whatever that's supposed to taste like. But I think it really helped out the barbecue. So it's not really much to it. It's very simple. I don't know, we've been doing it for a couple of years now, but it's a hard, you get like a picnic roast. It's really kind of hard to mess up. These bear claw things, like for $5 or whatever on Amazon, they definitely make it a whole lot easier on you. So I don't know, anything else to say? They wanted a barbecue. They wanted a barbecue video, so we got you one, Nate. We'll get closer one time. We'll actually make some for you. I think Nate's our biggest smoked video fan, and it's sad because even the pictures on Facebook, they don't do justice to as good as it really tastes. So pellet smokers, I think, is where it's at. It's so simple, and we'll be trying to get you more videos out. Be sure to subscribe if you made it this far into the video. We appreciate you, and just share the videos. Try to get out to as many people as you know, and we do appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.